बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम रब्बिश्रह ली सदरी वयस्सिर ली अमरी वहलुल उक़दतम मिन लिसानी यफ़क़हू क़ौली. Dear students, we start exercise 3.2 and question number 1. If y varies directly as x and y is equal to 8 when x is equal to 2, find 1. Y in terms of x. Now given that y varies directly as x. Now we write this: y is directly varies as x. Therefore, y is directly as x. Now we write again y is equal to kx. Now k is the constant of variation. Now put y is equal to, here y is equal to 8, y is equal to 8 and x is equal to 2 and x is 2. We put the value here 8 and is equal to 2 k2, this 2, and we find k is equal to 8 by 2 and is equal to 4. Now we write this in terms of y is equal to 4x. Now this is the answer of this first part. Now we write the second part. Again we have find in the first part of this, we write directly as y is equal to 4x. These we have find in this in part 1. Now find y. We want to find y when x is equal to 5. Now put the value of x here. Y is equal to 4 multiplied by 5 is equal to 20. Now this is the answer of this question. Now the question number 3 of this question. Find x. We write the y varies in terms of y is equal to 4x. Now we have found 2x when y is equal to 28. This equation, this variation we have find in part number 1, and we use this variation in part 2 and part 3. Now put y is equal to 28 and above we get y is equal to, now y is equal to 28, we write here 28 is equal to 4x. Now 4x is equal to 28 and x is equal to 28 over 4. Now it is equal to 7. Now x is equal to 7. This is the third part of question number 1. Now we write the question number 2. Question number 2 is, if y varies directly varies as x and y is equal to 7 when x is equal to 3, find y in terms of x. Given that, we write here again, given that y directly varies directly as x, and we write this y is equal to kx. Now we write this, therefore y is equal to kx. Now y is equal to 7 when x is equal to 3. Now you put this value here, y is equal to 7, this is equal to k into 3. Now k is equal to 7 by 3. Now put this k value in this. Y is equal to 7 by 3 k x, sorry, this x. We put the value of k here, and this is x. Now this is in terms of y. We write this variation in terms of y in terms of x. Now this is the answer of this question. Now the part 2 is, this is the part 2 of this question. Now we have find, again we find, given we have find in part 1, y in terms of x, and we write again y is equal to 7 by 3 x. Now we find x when y is equal to 35. Find x when y is equal to 35. Now put here y is equal to 35 is equal to 7 by 3 x. Now we write this 7 by 3 x is equal to 35, and x is equal to this. This will be, when we shift to the right side, here is multiplying, and when go on the right side it will be divisor. This will be become the divisor of 35, and we write this 35 multiplied by 3 over 7. Now this 7 ones are 7 fives are, and x is equal to 15. Now this is the answer of this question. Now this is the part of 3 part. Now we write the third part of this. The third part is this. This is the third part, and we have now question number 3. This is our question number 3. Question number 2. This is 2, and we have this. And now question number 3. We start question number 3. Question number 3 is, if r directly varies directly t, and r is equal to 5 when t is equal to 8, find the equation connecting r and t. Now given that solution, given that r directly varies t, and we write this r is equal to kt. Now k is constant of variation. Again r is equal to t, r is equal to 5 when t is equal to 8. We put these value here. Therefore r is equal to kt, and put here these values in this. 5 is equal to k into t 8. Now this 8, and k here is equal to 5 by 8, and put k in this value, and r is equal to k this 5 over 8, and 5 over t, this t. Now put this value, this is our 1, this, and put k is equal to 5 by 8 and 1, and we get. Now this is the r in terms of t, and we write this, and also find r when t is equal to 65. Now find r when t is equal to 64. Now we put the value here 64. R is equal to 5 by 8 multiply 64. 8 ones are 8 8s are 64. 8 5s are 40. Now R is equal to 40. Now again the second part of this, find R when t is equal to 64 and t when R is equal to 20. Find t when find t when R is equal to 20. R is equal to 20. We write again this. R is equal to 5 by 8 t, and we put R is equal to here 20 is equal to 5 by 8 t. Now here t is equal to 20 multiply by 8 by 5, 5 ones are 5 fours. Now t is equal to 8 fours are 32. Now this is the answer of this question. Now this is the question number 3, and now go to the question number 4. Now solution. Given that R directly varies t square, therefore we write R is equal to k t square, and R is equal to 8. R is equal to 8 when t is equal to 3. Now this is 1. Put these values, put in 1. R is equal to, we write R is equal to 8. This is equal to k, and 3 square is equal to 8 is equal to k into 9. 9 is multiple. We write k, 9k is equal to 8, or here k is equal to 8 by 9. Now put the value, of k in 1, and k is equal to put here, and write R is equal to 8 by 9 t square. This. Now find this. Find R when. Now we find R when t is equal to 6. Find R when t is equal to 6. T is equal to 6. Put the value here. R is equal to 8 by 9 multiply and 6 square. I write R is equal to 8 by 9 and multiply by 36, and 9 ones are 9 fours are, and R is equal to 8 fours are 32. Now this is the answer of this question. This is question number 4. Now the question number 5 is, this is our question number 5. If V directly varies R3 and V is equal to 5 when R is equal to 3, find K when V is equal to 64. Now given that V varies directly R3. Now V is equal to 5. V is equal to 5 when R is equal to 3. R is equal to 3. Put these values, and V is equal to KR3. KR3. Therefore, V is equal to KR3. Put these value here. V is equal to 5 and R is equal to 3. K is equal to 3 power 3. 5 is equal to K and 27. Now K is equal to 5 by 27. This is here multiply. When we shift this 27 to the left side, it will become the denominator of 5. Now k is equal to, put value k, put the value of k in n1. Now this is our one, this n1, and v is equal to 5 by 27, this, and r3, this is r3, this r3, and the last is v is equal to when v is equal to 65. This we have to find v, find r, this find r, this find r, we have find r, find r when v is equal to 625. So put here values. 625 is equal to 5 by 27 into r3. Now r3 is equal to, r is equal to 5 by 27 is equal to 625, and r is equal to 625 multiplied by 5 by 26, 27 by 5, 27 by 5. Now r is equal to 5 ones are, and 1 12 by 5 to the 10, and 5 5 the 25. It means 5 ones are 1, remaining 12, 5 to the 10, 12 5. Now r is equal to, r3 is equal to 125 and multiply by 27. Now we write again, r is equal to cube and 125 and 27, taking the power of 1 by 3 on both sides, both sides we get. Now r3 we take the power 1 by 3 is equal to also 125 multiplied by 27, also 1 by 3. Now this will cancel this, we have r is equal to, and we write again 5 power 3 multiplied by 3 power 3, and we write 1 by 3. R is equal to 5 3 and 1 by 3, and multiply by 3 by 3 and 1 by 3, and this will cancel, this cancel. R is equal to 5 multiplied by 3 is equal to 15. Now r is equal to 15. Now this is the question number 5. Now we will solve the question number 6. Question number 6 is, if w varies directly as u cube and w is equal to 81 when u is equal to 3. Now we solve from this, then with this. Given that w varies directly as u3, therefore w is equal to k u3, and w is equal to 81 when u is equal to 3. Now here we find the value of k, putting these value here. 81 is equal to k and 3 की power 3, and 81 is equal to k multiplied by 27. Now k is equal to 81 over 27. Now 9 9s are 81 and 9 3s are 27 and 3 1s are 3 3s are 9. K is equal to 3. Now put these value, put k, put the value of k in, we name this 1, and 1 we get, and w is equal to 3u3. Now the next portion of this question is find w when u is equal to 5. Find w when u is equal to 5. Now put this value here. W is equal to 3 multiplied by 5 power 3, and w is equal to 3 multiplied by 5 power 3 is 125, and w is equal to 3 5s are 15, 3 2 are 6 and 7 and 3. Now w is equal to 375.